Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make super easy coconut rice. This is actually one of my favorite ways to make rice. It's super easy and super tasty. It goes well with a lot of different main dishes. Let's head on over to the stove and get started. Get a large saucepan heating over high heat. Add in 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and 1.5 cups of white rice. We're going to toast the rice until it's just getting a kiss of golden brown. This is an optional step, but trust me, it adds a lot of flavor. It takes about 2 minutes, and then you'll start to see little flecks of golden brown in the rice. And that's exactly what we're looking for. Next, we're going to add in a can of coconut milk. It's about 2 cups of coconut milk, as well as 1 cup of water, and then half a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to remove my spoon, pop on a lid, and bring this to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, you want to reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for 15 minutes until all of the liquid has been absorbed. After 15 minutes, turn off the heat, remove the lid, and give this a stir. And that's it. Super easy coconut rice. You are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.